Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and review the Cargo Cover Pro from GPCA. It runs at about $90 or so, a little bit less than $90. And it just Velcros right in. So if you want to come here and take a look at the brackets that they're attached to, that simply just bolts on right there if you have the top on or the top off. And then there's this Velcro thing that you just slip right through that hole and Velcro shut. You can flip it over and have the Velcros on the top, but I prefer to have that logo there. And so it covers. I think it looks a little nicer with the logo there instead of the Velcro. I went ahead, I sat on it. I weigh 170 pounds and it held me up. I also put a Yeti cooler, toolkit, a gas can, a bunch of stuff on it, and it held it. So it's super sturdy. Or if you just want to use it as a cover so you can put things underneath when you have your top off, which I'll eventually take a picture of, it covers over so nobody can just see everything in your car, or it deters them from taking stuff from your car. As far as when it's closed and you take a look in from the side, if someone's looking in here to see if you have anything in your trunk, they're not going to be able to see if there's anything in there. If you put your purse back there, suitcase back there, anything back there, if you're out hiking and you want to leave some stuff back and keep some stuff in the back, nobody's going to be able to see in and see you have valuable stuff and break into your car. So it's awesome. It's super durable, super nice material. It's designed in the US, which is really awesome. And it just overall looks super nice. So I think it's a 5 out of 5 stars. And I definitely will be purchasing more from GPCA. They have a lot of high quality products.